Hi everyone, it's Roxanne here and welcome back to another video of mine. I have something to share with you guys and I hope you guys like it. I'm subscribed to FabFitfun and it's a subscription box, and they give you products, and they give you like beauty products, they give you home good products, they give you jewelry, they give you what else do they give you? They give you I don't know what else is. But they give you a lot of stuff. Now it goes for roughly, I think, around $49.95, and they have their yearly subscription or their monthly subscription. I opted for the yearly subscription. So yeah, and most of their products are good products. They have cruelty-free and vegan products. I'm sure they have regular products, but I opted for the vegan and cruelty-free products. And they're a very good company. They're a women-based company, and the box goes to charity. So right now we're going to be doing a fall unboxing 2019. So yes, so I'll show you what I got in this year's FabFitfun. This is what the box looks like. It's pretty big. See, it says FabFitfun, and it goes to charity. They have charity. The charity of choice right here is called City of Hope. I don't know if you can see that. See, City of Hope right there. That's their charity of choice. It mainly goes to charities, so that's always a plus. So that's good to know. So let's go through this right now. And by the way, I'm wearing the earrings that I got in this FabFitfun. I'll show you by the brand in just a little bit. And the kimono I'm wearing, or this wraparound I'm wearing, is what I got in like the spring in FabFitfun. Think of, I don't know when I got it, but this is a necklace that I got from FabFitfun. It's a star necklace. Okay, so I'll show you what we got inside. So this is what it looks like inside. Oops. There we go. See that? And we always get a magazine that tells you what the products do, how much they cost, and who's the editor-in-chief and the designer of the box and everything. So yeah, so what we have here first is that this is a RSVP and receive $15 off your first box. This is just a discount card. And as always, they give us this Hello Fresh food subscription, which is the $80 discount cards. So that's from HelloFresh. It's a food subscription box where they give you food and you make it, you cook it. So this is a good thing to have. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about FabFitfun, and here is the magazine. Let me put the box down really quick so that way. Oh boy, don't worry, I'll show you the stuff in a little bit and what it is and everything. But this is the magazine. This is Megan Trainor. That's her right there. And she is, let's go through. She is a Grammy Award winner, singer, and songwriter. I don't know if you know her. I mean, I don't know her, but that's who she is. That's who's the cover magazine right there, Megan Trainor. And it tells you a little bit about who the person is and everything. And yeah, so, oh, and this lady, this is the editor's letter. And this is Katie Echeverria Rosen Kitchen. She's the co-founder and editor-in-chief of this magazine, of FabFitfun magazine. That's her right there. So I'm telling you about the important stuff. Now, their charity of choice, see, it just gives you pictures and description, how much they cost of products that you get. Tells you a little bit about the product. Here we go. See, it says our charity City of Hope, beyond finding a cure. This season, we're incredibly honored to work with City of Hope, an organization that's dedicated to finding a cure for cancer and other deadly illnesses while also positively impacting patients' lives during and after treatment. So that's what City of Hope is. Okay, oh, and this girl, this lady right here, she is the designer of the box. She's the artist. She's the artist of the box, and she is Cecilia Castelli. Cecilia Castelli. And she's the one that designed the box. Box artist. She's an Italian illustrator. She has collaborated with several international brands and agencies to develop both digital and print projects with the aim to tell a story in a simple yet humorous form. As a whole, her portfolio consists of flat and minimal illustrations that include clean lines, soft forms, and bright colors. Whenever Cecilia is not drawing, she's probably thinking of what to draw next. Okay. So, here it tells you about, and it just gives you like some lifestyle to read and everything, like workout, food, and see, it tells you what the product is and what it does. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. See, it says eat healthy, change your career, find your perfect workout. See, it gives you some good information about everyday life stuff. Oh, and here are the women in the FabFitfun community. Tells you a little bit about their lives and everything, and their lives with FabFitfun. And I think that is it. Oh, and these women are important too, right here. These women are very important. Like, see this lady right here, Jen Kapahi, is this co-CEO and founder of Tristique. That's a makeup company. I don't know if you can see that. She's an important one. And Divya Guccinani, she's the co-founder and CEO of Wander Beauty. That's her right there. CEO and Wander Beauty right there. Who else is important? Then there's Tisha Wheaton. She's the e-commerce member experience manager from FabFitfun. Right here. Creative Vita Rekaman, creative director of Emika. Right there. So these women are very important. They list the CEOs, they list the creative founders, and everything else. Co-founders. And let's see. Oh, and Janelle Campbell. Right there. She is the art director and product development of FabFitfun. Right there. So that's what's in the magazine. Megan Trainor. Okay, so let's get on to the products. Okay, let me put this magazine down. And you get quite a bit of things, so let me just go through it. I mean, let me see how the best way I could. Oh, I can't do it that way. I can't see. So what I'm going to have to do is lay this down on top of the desk and go through which products. So the first up that we got is this. This is Juice Cleanse Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes, sugar exfoliant juice cleanse. These little squares. Now what you do with this is that you take a shower, you rub the sugar in between your hands, then you rub the sugar on your body so it exfoliates you. That's what the sugar cube, and it smells good. It smells like a key lime. Oops, sorry. Probably. It smells really good. It smells like a key lime pie or limes, as you will, and it smells a very good freshly citrus smell. So it's good. I don't know if this is a new thing. This is a mystery choice. Maybe they put in a mystery choice product that's in here, but here's a mystery choice. Maybe this is an add-on. I'm not sure though to the box, but this is the Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Detox Night Cream Peptide 3. I don't know what the else is. Reishi extract, but this is a night cream for your face. And this is certified organic. See, it says all of that right there, and it's vegan. Yep. Product is vegan, gluten-free. So yeah, that's our mystery product. And let me get on to the other ones. Now the earrings that I'm wearing right here today are from Baublebar. They're Farah ear crawlers. I know, spoiler alert, I already went through this box yesterday, but I just want to share it with you guys. I want to share what you can get and share what the products is, what they're about, and how I do love this subscription box. I love and support FabFitfun. So here's another product that we got is the AVEDA Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. So what you want to use this is when your hair is damp out of the shower, you rub this and you put it in your hair, and it protects your hair from heat styling or blow drying. It's a hair protector basically. This is what that is, Damage Repair Remedy. And this is like a thin consistency, or thin white consistency. I don't know if it has a smell. Yeah, it has a fresh citrus smell. Okay, now next up is the Humankind Vegan and Cruelty-Free Body Souffle. This I tried, and this is really good. It smells very fresh citrus smell. This smells really good. This is vegan and cruelty-free. Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, Humankind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly assorted to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. So that. Oh, and this one is by Aromatherapy Associates London Deep Relax Rollerball. Now this has like a saddlewood, some type of wood smell to it. It's a masculine smell. I mean, I'm pretty sure men could use this on them too, but it's a scent that relaxes you. It's aromatherapy rollerball. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm sorry, I'm nervous at the same time, but I hope you guys can understand me. I'm just going with the flow here. See, deep relaxation rollerball. You just put this on your wrist. It smells. It smells really good. And so the next thing that we have here in this box, now everybody who has FabFitfun, they have different things, similar things, but they have some same things, but mostly different. I opted for a surprise for myself. You can customize and choose what stuff you want in your box, which is good, but I opt for them to surprise me. Now this is the Skin Volve Body Boost Gel Stimulant, menthol and green tea, tone firm and smooth. This is for like after a workout, and this is cruelty free and vegan. Like I said, most of FabFitfun stuff is of their products is cruelty free and vegan, so that's what I opt for. I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure if they have regular products that are not, but I opted for vegan and cruelty free products, so I support that. Paraben free. So yeah, this is, I guess, a toning moisture for after workout, you know, it tones your arms, whatever. But yeah, so that's what that is. And the last thing that we have, this is really cool, I'll show you, is that we got the TWINE Living Co. Gourmet Food and Ceramic Cheese Board gift set. Yes, isn't this really cool? A cheese cutting board set. So yeah, so I don't want time to maybe have cheese on top of this, but this is a good, nice cutting board. I wish it's just a regular cutting board, but this is really nice too. See, they give you home goods, they give you skincare, they give you hair care, they give you accessories. It's a good thing. It's a good subscription box. So I just wanted to share all the good stuff that I have. So yeah, so that's all that we have in this month's FabFitfun Fall Unboxing 2019 of this year. Hope you guys enjoyed that. So yeah, so check out FabFitfun. I'll put their website. I'll write out the website description and also the description of the products that we have. I'll try and figure out the websites to each specific product. So yeah. So, well, I hope you guys like that, and go check out FabFitfun. They're a great company, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you want to let me know what video you want me to do next. Maybe we can do more unboxing. I can't wait for winter's box, you know. So yeah, so those so that's a good, FabFitfun is a good subscription box. It goes it goes to charity and everything to help out. All right, well, you guys take care, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, hope you guys have a good day or night, whatever it may be out there. So wherever you guys are, so hope you guys take care, have fun, and be safe. And I'll see you guys next time in my video. Bye bye.